It's a sport you have come to know, come to love, and come to play in your neighborhood. But now in a whole new avatar. Get ready for the glitz and glamour brought to you by 6 teams from across the nation that will battle it out to be crowned the inaugural champions of the Indian Pickleball League, powered by Adani. The Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium in Delhi is poised and ready for a spectacle, and we hope you sitting at home are too. Yes, you've seen these big names already, but before the action will unfold on court, let's head towards the grand opening ceremony from the IGI Stadium in New Delhi. It is the first time that the Indian Pickleball League, powered by Adani, is going to take place.
Welcome to the inaugural ceremony of Indian Pickleball League. And if you have played this game, you must have noticed the pickleball courts are the only place where generation gap disappears, where Gen Z and GI generation are sharing the same slang. Nice shot, what a drop. That dink was so cool. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have started as a recreational sports in India has now transformed into the real sports league, the Indian Pickleball League, which is sanctioned by Indian Pickleball Association, endorsed by Asian Pickleball Association and Global Pickleball Federation, and recognized by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. You are going to see the shots which are sharper than the Delhi's winter, and the players are ready to cook up the magic at the kitchen line. And here we are ready to welcome our dignitaries. The special dignitary that we have now, we will be introducing them in the order. May I please request you all to please welcome the President of PWR, Mr. Sameer Pathak. On the extreme right, we have the MD of the Times Group, Mr. Vineet Jain. And just like the center of the entire democracy is Delhi, the center of attraction of Indian Pickleball League, we are welcoming Honorable CM Srimati Rekha Gupta of NCT Delhi. And I also welcome all the dignitaries of the Indian Pickleball Association and the league officials. You all are welcome. I also welcome the 6 teams that are going to participate in the Indian Pickleball League, and we will see the formats, smashers and all the action live for the 7 days at the KD Jadhav Hall, New Delhi. And now may I please invite Mr. MD, the Times Group, Mr. Vineet Jain, to deliver the welcome speech and amplify the voice of Indian Pickleball League.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to all our players, team owners, sponsors, media colleagues, and pickleball fans here and across the country. Today is more than an event. It's a landmark moment. A special welcome to the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Srimati Rekha Gupta. Your presence shows how leadership can turn a sport into a movement. With the Chief Minister and Delhi government support, and with Delhi as a tourism partner, we proudly unveil the first ever official Indian Pickleball League. A moment that marks the start of something truly transformative. This is India stepping onto the world pickleball stage with confidence and ambition. But this league is not just a competition. It is the beginning of a sporting movement in India. One that tells every young player, this is a sport where you can grow, shine, and dream without limits. We are fully committed to our mission of making pickleball the second most popular sport after cricket in India. To build the momentum, we would like to offer 500 seats to Delhi school students every day in order to popularize this sport. Today, we don't just launch a season, we launch a new era. Years from now, when people ask where India's pickleball journey began, they will look back at this moment, this arena, players and pioneering team owners who believed in this league. To all the players, coaches and general managers, a big thank you. Your passion drives this league and makes this moment historic. As we step onto the court, let's do it with purpose, pride, and fire. Ladies and gentlemen, the Indian Pickleball League begins today. Let's dream bigger. Let's dream bigger, play harder, and push further. Let's raise the bar and then rise above it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vineet Jain. You have amplified the voice absolutely correctly, that we need to amplify the voice, the race and the energy of this Indian Pickleball League to keep it at the international standards. Thank you so much, sir. And now, may I please invite Honorable Chief Minister Srimati Rekha Gupta of NCT Delhi to please come and share a voice wisdom and also give us the inspiration that we will carry forward for the 7 days to go. May I please invite Ma'am Rekha Gupta.
Thank you so much, Vineet ji, MD Times Group, Mr. Sameer Pathak, CEO Times, President Pickleball League, my dear friend Navika Kumar, and all dignitaries, players, coaches, and my media friends. Indian Pickleball League, new event, new game for our country. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, क्योंकि भारत हमेशा से खेलों का देश रहा है। नई नई गेम्स को समझना, देखना, खेलना हर भारतीय का चार्म रहा है। और जब से देश के प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने स्पोर्ट्स को भारत का कल्चर बनाया है, उसके बाद से तो हर भारतीय की ये इच्छा रहती है कि हर तरह के स्पोर्ट्स में वो लोग इंटरेस्ट लें और उसमें इन्वॉल्व हों। आज टाइम्स ग्रुप ने ना केवल इंडियन पिकल लीग को ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, बल्कि एक पूरा एसोसिएशन खड़ा किया है, पूरा फेडरेशन बनाया है और एक नया गेम हमारी भारत की खेलों की लिस्ट में जोड़ा है। मैं आप सबको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देती हूं, दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से बधाई देती हूं और इस बात को एंश्योर करना चाहूंगी कि इस गेम को दिल्ली में भी हम जोड़ें, हमारे स्कूलों में, हमारे गेम्स में, हमारे इवेंट्स में, ताकि पिकल बॉल हम सब के लिए एक बहुत ही रोचक और नया खेल साबित हो। आप सबको फिर से मेरी ओर से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं, बधाई। थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू मैम रेखा गुप्ता। पढ़ेंगे लिखेंगे तो बनेंगे नवाब और खेलेंगे कूदेंगे तो बनेंगे लाजवाब. That is what the message from the Chief Minister of the NCT Delhi. And before we move forward and leap forward, let me take you back and take a leap out of the past and take you to the journey of pickleball. It started at the backyard of the House of the State Representative of Washington, Mr. Joel Pritchard, in 1965. And he invented pickleball. From there, it formed into a United USA Pickleball Association in 1984. And after that, we got the rule book that we will be following at the Indian Pickleball League. And in India, it has found its voice through Indian Pickleball Association and Ministry of Youth, Sports and Youth Affairs. And now it's time for you to take the oath and for the players to take the oath. And to administer the oath, may I please invite on stage the President of PWR, Mr. Sameer Pathak.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. I'm now going to administer the oath to all the athletes, officials, umpires and referees, everybody who's going to be part of the Indian Pickleball League Season 1. In the name of athletes and administrators and officials, we promise to take part in these games, respecting and abiding by the rules and in the spirit of fair play. We all commit ourselves to sport without doping and cheating. We do this for the glory of the sport, for the honor of our teams, and in respect for the fundamental principles of Olympism. Thank you very much. Also, I would like to reiterate what MD Mr. Vinny Jain, MD Times Group Mr. Vinny Jain said, that in honor of the partnership and the support that Delhi government has provided, 500 children from government schools will come every day, and they will get inspired to become the next generation of pickleball players. And the day is not very far, ma'am, when international medals will come from this very moment. Thank you so much for being part of this.
Speaking like a visionary, announcing the way forward of the Indian Pickleball League to see the podiums at the international stage, that's what Mr. Sameer Pathak has for us to deliver and soak in. And now it's time to soak ourselves in the pride of nation. It's time for the national anthem. May I request you all, the audience, the dignitaries, the special guests, to please honor the nation, and we will be soon starting the national anthem. Thank you so much. And I'm sure that now you're pumped up and now you want to just see the action going in. But zara ruk के जरा ठहर के, क्योंकि अभी तो थंडरस एक्शन से पहले ट्रॉफी तो रिवील हो जाने दो, देखने तो दो कि कितनी खूबसूरत है ये मलिका जिसके पीछे है 6 टीम्स। एंड ये सारी टीमें आपको यहाँ पर ऑन द कोर्ट नजर आएंगी सिर्फ इस ट्रॉफी के लिए। सो मे वी प्लीज इनवाइट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर श्रीमती रेखा गुप्ता, MD द टाइम्स ग्रुप मिस्टर विनी जैन, to unveil the trophy. And here is the Indian Pickleball League trophy. The champions of the champions will get this trophy.
The pace is quick, the action is fast. These great moments are to last.
Pickleball is your call. Never fall. You stand up tall. Give it your all. Pickleball is your call.
That's the glitzy trophy that the 6 teams will be after. Minimum 95 games to fight it out.
Thank you.
And only one of them will be crowned as champions. Will make room in their trophy cabinet. The Indian Pickleball League, powered by Adani. And the Carnival of Pickleball will come to you live. We're not too far away from Bengaluru versus Lucknow from the Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium here in New Delhi. Don't go too far away. We'll be back.